Hi, it's AI Jennifer here. Welcome back to Ask the Instructor, presented by Campus Mortgage. Today's question is, the borrower currently owns an auto repair shop in Montana. He is buying a new home in Idaho and moving the business to the new location. Can that income still be used to qualify? Here's what our mortgage instructor has to say. Unfortunately, it would not be considered as a stable income, since there is no way to determine that the market in Idaho will produce the same income as what was being earned in Montana. For example, there may be a lower population base, less vehicle traffic, or more competition that could negatively affect the shop's income in the new city. Furthermore, the borrower would need to be relocated and must be operating in Idaho for a full 12 months. This is to determine the effect that the move had on the business and the new income that could be used for qualifying purposes. This concludes our 1-minute video. If you like this video, please help us by clicking the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. And remember, at Campus Mortgage, we offer a variety of comprehensive mortgage training and certification programs. To learn how we can help jumpstart your mortgage career, simply download our course catalog at campusmortgage.org. Thank you, and make it a great day.